What's going on, everybody? Joe here with JM Productions and JM Photography and Media. And today, we're going to be taking a look at how to add links to your YouTube channel. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright everybody, so here we are on my YouTube homepage. So what I'm going to do is go to the top right corner where you see the icon or whatever your picture is for your channel. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to go to where it says your channel and click that. So when you do that, what that does is that brings up your personal YouTube channel. Alright, and now if you look on the right hand side, I have two links. There's an icon for an Instagram page and there's an icon for a Facebook page. You may have seen this on other people's YouTube channels where they have clickable links that will take you elsewhere off of their YouTube channel. So we're going to look at how to do that. So if I click the Instagram link, you'll see that it takes me directly to my Instagram page. And if I go back to my YouTube channel and I click the Facebook icon, you'll see that similarly it takes me to the Facebook page directly from my YouTube channel. So in order to be able to do this, what we're going to do is click Customize Channel. And once you do that, it'll bring up the place where you can adjust all the settings for your page, how you want the videos laid out, which videos you want to show, all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where it says About, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then you'll see right here there's a Links section. And in that Links section, I already have both my Instagram and Facebook links in there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete those as if I did not have them on my page. And I'm going to show you how you can add those links. So I'm going to go ahead and click this edit icon. And on the right hand side of each of these links there's a trash can. I'm just going to go ahead and click those. And now you'll see that if I click done, I'll go ahead and go back to my channel. And you'll see that now there are no links up here to the right. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, again, is click Customize Channel and click About. So now that I have no links in my channel, I'll go ahead and click the links button with the plus sign. And now you'll see that with the custom links, you can have a total of 5 links on your channel art. Okay, so if I click Add, on the left-hand side it says Link Title Maximum 30 characters. So you can create a title for that link that's up to 30 characters long, and then you'll see a URL box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the URL from my Instagram page. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. And in the URL box, I'm just going to go ahead and paste it. And then in the link title box, just for this tutorial's purposes, I'm just going to type Instagram. Okay. And if I were done, I would just go ahead and click the Done button, and I would just have that one link. But since I want to add another one, I'm just going to go ahead and click the Add with the plus sign, and then the same exact process. So now I'm going to do it with my Facebook page. So I'm going to go ahead and click the address, right-click it and copy, and then go to the URL bar. I'll go ahead and paste it. And then right here, same thing, I'm just going to type Facebook just for ease of this tutorial. And now you'll see that I've added these 2 links. I'll go ahead and click Done. And now you see in the links section, both of these links are here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the left-hand side and click My Channel. And now you'll see that I've landed back at my channel, and the 2 links did pop up on the right-hand side. I'll go ahead and close these links. That way I can test to make sure that these 2 links are going to work properly. So I'll go ahead and click the Instagram link, and it sends me right to my Instagram page. Go back to the YouTube channel, I'll click the Facebook link, and the same exact thing, it pops up my Facebook page. So now I know that both of those links work. So again, it's a very simple process. If you need to see how to do it again, just go ahead and watch this video. And that should be it. It's a very simple process, and I hope that helps you guys out. Alright everybody, so that concludes our quick tutorial on how to add links to our YouTube channel. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, thanks for hanging out. I'm Joe with JM Productions and JM Photography and Media. We'll see you soon.